Welcome everyone to another keynote from the engineering team. At Lead Group, two guiding values shape everything. People first. Every system we design, every tool we launch is meant to serve people, our teams, our partners, and the communities around us. Growth through innovation. By building smarter, future-ready solutions, we create not just progress for today, but foundation for tomorrow. And today, you'll see those values come alive in our work in data and AI. And to tell us more, here's Tyrone.
Our test on market mapping data gave us a glimpse of how structured analysis can uncover opportunities. We are now exploring how to streamline the distribution of market mapping data to different sectors so that insights can be tailored and delivered faster to where they are most needed. We've begun shaping an all-in-one database designed not only to store information but to equip it with fast, advanced filtering techniques. This ensures teams can quickly surface the right data, enabling smarter decisions and reducing friction in day-to-day operations. This month, we officially expanded and renamed the subgroup to include AI. Why? Because AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming a partner in how we work, grow, and innovate. It allows us to serve people better, faster, and with more empathy than ever before. To tell us more about our first project, here's Gavin.
Thanks, Tyrone. Given our value of growth through innovation, we set out to explore concrete ways to deliver value inside Lead Group. We ask ourselves, where do we spend time on repetitive work that could be transformed through AI? One of the biggest pain points we identified was formatting candidate CVs. And this is the solution we came up with.
Hello everyone, I'm Gavin, the full stack engineer for Lead Group, and I will present the tool that the team has been working on together with Tom for the past few months. We haven't decided a cool name for this yet, so we'll be calling it as this. So it is Lead Group's very own CV extractor and generator tool. What is it about? So it is an AI and automation tool that we've built that enables you to streamline and automate retrieval of data from a CV and generate a Lead Group branded one in just mere minutes. Say for example, you uploaded something like this. It will be able to generate something like this in just a few minutes. To give a brief demo on that one, let's go to the admin portal. You can add your Lead Group email here, or if you're already logged in your Outlook, you can just click the sign in via Office. Once logged in, you'll automatically be redirected to the admin dashboard. So you'll have the chance to look at the two options here. So it's basically upload CV for extraction and view the CV list that basically all of the previous uploaded CVs. So let's click the upload CV for extraction. You can choose which template that you will be using. So for now it will be one template for desk, but since it's just in the early stages, all of the templates are shared among all desks. So I'll just choose manufacturing. Then you upload the CV field. I'll just be uploading a random CV that Tom provided weeks ago. And you can choose to rename the file. So for this case, I'll just rename it to something like resume test. So please do not, as stated here, you shouldn't remove the file extension on the file name. So don't remove the .pdf. Then you click upload CVs. you'll be redirected to this page. This is the CV status page, and from here you'll see that this is already queued, and you can also see some of the things that we've also worked on in the past. It usually takes a minute to process the CV, so you just click refresh, and yeah, once it's done you can just click on it and you'll be redirected to the summary page of the extracted CV. So from here you'll be able to see that it was able to retrieve some of the candidate's full name, personal profile, skills, location, education, even work history. You can choose to edit it here simply by clicking the edit info, but you can already generate the CV as I mentioned earlier. So here is how it looks like. As you can see, it was able to retrieve, not sure if all the details that were provided in the previous file, but at least most of what's important. And yeah, if you see some weird spacing or some errors on the CV that was generated, you can simply edit it here. So if I click edit info, I'll be redirected to this page, and I can input for example the job title. I can also change, if the education is wrong, I can also change that. And yeah, basically all of the things that was retrieved by the AI, we can actually tweak it a bit so that it will the generated CV will be more precise. Going back, yeah, some limitations right now that we've encountered on this one is that first is, yeah, for now we only process PDF only. So the AI only works when the given file is of a PDF format. There's also an issue where the text formatting may be weird when you inspect it in the summary page or even in the generated CV. We're still trying to resolve this one, but yeah, that's why it's important to still cross-check, even though most of the stuff that was manually been done was automated already. There may be times that there are missing or incorrect data. So some data may not be retrieved properly. It mostly, based on my observation, it mostly happens when the data is about the education and work history dates. So yeah, like in the text formatting, it's better to cross-check if the data is correct. And finally, some CVs have a weird layout. So yeah, the layout may break at times since it was automatically generated. If you find some of these layout is weird, you can simply try refreshing the page and try generating the CV again. If it doesn't work, or if it still breaks, then you contact us already. That's about it. What's next? So we'll be having a soft launch on the 15th, Monday, EOD. So everyone with the leadgroup.com.au email will be able to try this feature out simply by logging into our admin portal. The next few weeks here will be allotted for people in the company to test, evaluate, and comment on anything about the tool so that we can better perfect the tool for the company, of course. And yeah, so that's about it. Thank you for listening.
So where are we now? We've strengthened data foundations, we've expanded to include AI, we've launched a product that directly impacts our workflows. Looking forward, We'll continue refining governance to build trust, expand AI integration across our platforms, keep unlocking insights that help both businesses and individuals grow, always with people at the center, always with innovation as our path forward. As we close, let's remember people first, growth through innovation. These aren't just words, they are our compass. Every initiative we've launched and every plan ahead is a step toward a future where technology isn't cold or distant, but human, empowering, and full of possibility. Together, we're not just building systems, we're building futures. Thanks, everyone.